So the way you get ideal clients is pretty much identifying who you feel like is your dream client. The person that you don't mind doing business with on a continuous basis, because you don't want just a customer, because once you have a customer, it's a one-time transaction. Depending on their experience, they either come back or they don't. So when you have a dream client, it's that person you already have in mind. They have certain attributes that you look for. And the easiest way to do that is kind of like a person trying to look for their ideal spouse or significant other. You write down qualities that you want that person to have, and then you look for those qualities. You advertise, you market to those qualities. Therefore, once you do that enough, the person that's ideally your dream client will find you.